Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your AdSense account settings to reduce invalid traffic. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Google AdSense account. Once you're logged in, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings section, look for the Access and Authorization tab. Click on that tab to proceed. Here, check the current users and their access levels. If any users no longer require access, remove them by clicking the X next to their name. This helps prevent unauthorized access and potential invalid traffic. Next, navigate to the Site Management section within the account settings. Review the list of sites linked to your AdSense account. Remove any invalid or non-compliant sites by clicking on the relevant option. Now, go to the Allow and Block Ads tab. Here, you can control which ads appear on your site. Consider blocking ads from regions that are generating skewed traffic. This can help mitigate the impact of invalid traffic on your revenue. After making changes, click Save at the bottom of the page. Next, review your ad placement strategy. Ensure that ads are not placed in ways that could provoke accidental clicks. Consider using ad formats that are less invasive to user experience. Now, look at your traffic sources. Utilize Google Analytics to analyze where your traffic is coming from. Identify any unusual spikes or questionable sources. If you detect suspicious sources, consider blocking those referrers. Finally, establish a regular review process for your account settings. Make it a routine to check your AdSense settings every few months. By staying proactive, you can significantly reduce the risk of invalid traffic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.